Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy S25 Edge, and today I will show you how you can capture a screenshot on this device. So, to get started, you will want to open up content that you wish to capture. I'll be using home screen as an example for this, so it's already open and visible on my screen. Once that is the case for you, hold your power button and volume down at the same time. And when you let go, you get this little flash around the borders with edit, tag, share, and Google Lens options, or just Lens. That could be from Samsung. Now this will only show up once, where it kind of stays like it does right now because it's giving us info on what these buttons do. So next time you will just have this without that little bubble, and it will then disappear like it just did. Once it disappears, you can find your captured screenshot by going into your gallery, and it will be visible under photos right here, or under albums, under album called screenshots, which it will create. And you can see it right here. So there we go. Now, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.